Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at the commenting feature on a Google Doc. The comments also work on Google Slides and Google Sheets as well. We're going to just showcase them here on a Google Doc to get you started. The first thing I want to explain is what the comments are used for. So when you're on a Google Doc, you can share out your document with other people to collaborate and ask for advice or help or work together if you're in a partnership. Remember, when you share with somebody, one of the options is commenter setting. This one will allow them to attach their comments right to your document, and then they can help you work on your paper and make it better. So there's a few ways to get to the commenting section. Here is the button that will open the side panel with all the comments, but you can also highlight a word or phrase, and you see right here is the floater attachment for adding a comment. Right here's your suggestion. Remember, we already learned about suggestions, but right here is the comment. So I can click that and add a quick comment. Research this further. And that just gives my person a little message to make sure to go into more detail on what the infamous massacre was. Now, if I want to, I can highlight another phrase and get into the explore option that we already learned about too. And if you explore Tiananmen Square, you'll be able to get some web results and some little summaries of these. And you can even take this little summary paragraph or sentence, I should say, and copy and paste it and put it right into another comment to help the person that you're collaborating with. And you can leave that as a comment. And now that this comment is attached to this phrase. Now you'll see the phrases where there's a comment attached are highlighted in that yellowish brownish color, that tan color. The comments will show up on the right, and you can mark them as resolved. So if I've researched that and add a little bit more information and I'm happy with that, I can hit that checkbox and it resolves the comment and removes it from my document. So you can see I'm done with that. If I want to look at this comment, you also have a little kebab next to your checkbox that gives you editing, deleting, or link to this comment. So if I want somebody's attention now, I can open up the link and copy that link and like text it to them on the phone, or I can email it to them, get their attention better using that link. Or I can edit, because since it's my own comment, I can edit it, but the owner will be able to always delete comments. So you'll have that option there as well. And when I'm done, I'm going to resolve that one, and then that one's removed from my page. Now I can get back to those comments and look by opening, oops, I'm doing the wrong button. By opening that comment section, I get back to my history of all the comments that were left on this document. And then I can see that they were marked as resolved or suggestion accepted. So it's kind of like it keeps a little running history for you in case you need to go back and look at somebody's old comment on your paper. Oh my God, I forgot to tell you the best thing. You can tag people in your comments. Now, I recorded this afterwards and I'm going to slip it in there, so it might seem a little bit out of place in the whole video, but I had to put this back in because all you have to do is type that word at, the at symbol, and the people in your organization pop up, and so you can just click on them and add them. You can also search for people. Anybody in your contacts list should pop up pretty easily, or you can copy and paste their email address in there. When I do, Miss Russo Evans, as soon as I hit reply, she's going to receive an email from Google that there is a comment with her name on it. And so you can kind of, if you've got a collaborative project that several people are working on, you can give them tasks by using the comment feature and hitting that at symbol and assigning it to people. So for example, if I had like a 4-person job and one person's doing the research and one person's doing the survey, one person's doing the APA, and one person is doing the table of contents, I can put in a comment with each of their jobs and tag them in for it. And then that way, when they're finished with the APA, they can go in and resolve that comment. So it works great. All right, that's about it. Happy commenting on each other's work. And Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.